If you're an owner or operator of an industrial business thinking about investing in digital marketing, the most expensive mistake you can make is skipping a thorough analysis. Before strategy, before spend, before execution, we run what we call an MVP fit analysis. This analysis is a structured diagnostic process designed to answer one critical question up front. Does digital marketing actually make sense for your business, and why? Not every company is a fit. Not every market is ready. And not every website or positioning can support inbound demand. The MVP fit analysis exists to eliminate guesswork before money gets spent. Most agencies jump straight to tactics: SEO, GEO, ads, content, social. We don't, because we're not most agencies. We start by validating whether there's a real opportunity for your company to win online and what it would take to do so. The MVP fit analysis is built on two foundational diagnostic tools. First is the comp, or comprehensive analysis. The comp is a deep, objective assessment of your current digital footprint. It looks at things like search visibility, authority, keyword coverage, backlink profile, competitive landscape, and most importantly, how buyers actually find companies like yours online. The comp answers questions like, are buyers actually searching for what you manufacture and sell? Are you visible when they do? Is Google treating your company as an authority or an afterthought? Are you competing on specialization, your brand name, or not at all? This isn't our opinion. It's actual data about your digital footprint and your marketplace online. The comp shows you whether demand exists and if you have the digital foundation to support it. Second is the NPS, or niche positioning scan. This is where we evaluate how clearly and credibly your business is positioned in the market. Most industrial companies suffer from the same issue. They explain what they do, but not why they matter. The NPS identifies how Google categorizes your business, how buyers perceive your expertise, and whether you own a clear niche or blend into a sea of competitors, and where specialized opportunities exist that you can defend digitally. The NPS tells us whether your positioning supports authority, trust, and inbound demand. When we combine the comp and the NPS, we get clarity. Clarity on whether digital marketing is viable, what lane or niche you should own, what needs to change before you can scale, and what success would realistically look like. That's the MVP fit analysis. It's not a sales pitch or a slide deck. It's a filter. The MVP fit analysis is for companies that want facts, not promises. It's for owners and operators who value precision, specialization, and consistent long-term growth. And sometimes the outcome is that we don't recommend moving forward yet, but that's still a win. If you want to know whether your business is a fit for digital growth, the MVP fit analysis is your starting point. No assumptions, no shortcuts, just clarity. So if you're ready to find out, request your MVP fit analysis.